Once again, I've started a job without thinking to do a video. This is what I've got to do at the moment. I've got to cut in with the backhoe as much as I can into this hill. I've got to cut out that iron bark, eventually shred it, and turn it into fence posts. I want to do a nice level pad in through here up to about halfway to those lemon scented gums. As you can see, my property is quite sloped, so flat space is premium real estate. So I thought, well, I've got to put a shipping container here. I've got to put two actually, and then build a roof between them. I didn't really want to have to try to build this area up. So then, well, I'll just take my time and just level this out a bit, and I'll use the excess material to level up some other areas. And yeah, it's doing quite well. I've been on it for about an hour and a half. The BH7600 backhoe on the Trident tractor. It's doing itself proud, really. It's torn through these mega big roots. No problem really at all. You just got to pull dead on. You can't do it from the side. Yeah, there's a bit of a mess around here. This has just been my junk pile around here for a while. As you can see, I'm burning off old timber. Burn off about, maybe a dump truck full. Just slowly, because it's so dry here now. Yeah, so this is my old fuel shed, fuel storage, gas, diesel, petrol. Got the old slats on it to keep it aerated and keep the weather out, but I'm going to be ripping all that timber off and putting tin on it and fix it up, close it in, extend the front of it. And this is what I bought the tractor for, to be able to do these projects as I can and as I have time and days off. And so far it's proven itself to be a really good tractor. I'm not a fanboy, I'm not sponsored by them. Just giving the honest truth of my experience with it. It's been good. I'm from heavier machinery, so it's been a bit of a learning curve to learn the limitations of a smaller machine like this. It's been good though. I've learned heaps. Probably in the next couple of months, I'm also going to get myself a mini digger. I don't know, UHI seems to be the best one I've seen for the price. I know Trident have just brought something to Australia, but yeah, they're not really up to scratch, I don't think, for my personal opinion and for my wants. They may be good, I may be wrong. But at the moment, Trident is only new in this area, whereas UHI has been bringing them in for years, and they've tweaked their little diggers quite nicely. So yeah, I'll see how it go. But I'm managing with this. The backhoe is doing quite well. I was a bit worried about how I was going to get it level and do the final trim, because there's no angle bucket for it. There's no way to change the angles of it. I've been looking at trying to find some attachments for it to a quicker release, and I'm not having much luck at the moment. So yeah, this is what I'm doing at the moment. I'll probably get the tripod out or the headband out and give you a bird's eye view of how and what I'm doing, and yeah, I'll get back into it. Well, that's probably a quarter of the job done. That's a bit that I just showed you there. It took about half an hour. I'll probably edit half of it out. It's just me jerking around and yeah, just trying to rush. I've got to stop rushing. If I take my time, it's not a lot smoother. And I tend to lose my rhythm and stuff myself up a little bit, but that's all right. I'll get there. I'm not on the machine every day, so yeah, it's a learning curve. It's one I've got the time and the will to do. So that's it. I hope you're happy with that video. It showed you what the backhoe does. Let's see if I can get over there. Some of these roots and the rocks really, it just split through those, as you would have seen. A bit bumpy, but that got through it. This is the 400 bucket I got on this. Seems to be the best one. I'm just looking at the backhoe there. I'm a bit skew with. I thought I was level, but I wasn't. I might actually get a little level to stick on here so I can see where I'm level and where I'm not. This is it. This is what she does. It just chews away. It's not a final trim or fine trim machine. It's just a digger. It digs, does it quite well. Yeah, it's a bit of a rough ride sometimes, but that's all right. I feel like I've been fighting a bull. Shuttled around a lot, but that's okay. Yeah, so the controls are very basic. These are your legs up and down. These are your controls up, down, slew, and your buckets crowd, and up and down. It's basic, and why they got a seatbelt on here, I don't know. It's not as if I'm going to sit on it if it rolls over. I'm just going to jump. But anyway, it is what it is. It's not too bad. It's doing its job. I'm pretty happy with it. That's the B8 7600. It's the upgrade from the old ones they used to sell, and it seems a hell of a lot tougher and a lot stronger. It does. It really pulls hard. It's, yeah, what can I say? I've already said that. It's really good. Enjoy it. If you get it, you'll love it. All right, see ya.